Warning, East Coastin must insist that no one attempt to recreate or reenact any stunt or activity performed in this video. Some activities are AI generated and filmed in Mexico.
The group East Coastin.
The East Coastin.
The East Coastin.
So guess what? It's happening anyway.
All right, Daniel. Well, we are on our way to Chicago. We did a little prep yesterday. Gabe should be there Friday. And we're going to be there tonight. Be there for tomorrow's sunrise till sunup ride, which we're probably going to stay for 2 hours.
Sunset to sunrise?
Or is it sunset?
There's two sunrises.
What?
No, sundown to sunup.
I think I have dyslexia.
Whatever.
But anyway, yeah, so we got about 13 and a half hours. We said we were leaving at 7, and we're leaving at 7:40, which is probably the
best, most
on-time thing we've ever done in our entire life.
Definitely the closest to the target time we've ever had.
Yeah, but Chicago's going to be a sick one. We're super excited to head there. You know, Brand 66 always throws on this sick-ass event from the stunt community, and you want us to do some cool stunts and see some cool stuff, head over to Chicago for Lean Back. I was going to make fun of you for getting a chicken bacon ranch at 8:30 in the morning from Subway.
Yeah.
But I didn't have the heart because, you know, my poor guy's bike fell down in the trailer. Let's see. A little mark on the tank. Could have been worse.
Could have been worse, but
the worst part about it is, you know, his bike fell on my
I know,
my front end cap, like
I scratched your fork seal cap.
My fork seal cap, you know, it's kind of like really just ruined my whole trip.
Ruined the whole trip.
Yeah, but
it's not that bad. It just sucks because we're not even an hour into our trip yet, and my gas.
At least you got your chicken bacon ranch.
Yeah, so worth it.
We didn't even hit any bumps either. I don't know how that happened.
I think I know how it happened. I just don't want to talk about it. I think I had the strap wrapped around it enough when I ratcheted it down.
Yeah, it just popped loose.
It just slid out. Whatever. Shit happens. It's only a motorcycle.
Whose bike's falling down next?
$6 on Gabe's red Dyno.
Oh, not good, not good, not good. Well, you gonna see you tomorrow, Paulie, or what?
Friday.
Friday.
Oh yeah, Friday. What do you think's worse, Paulie, the gas tank or my my fork seal?
Yeah, the fork cap. Yeah.
All day.
There's no way you can replace the 99-cent powder-coated fork cap. Not my T-Sport tank.
Oh yeah. Those things are all over the place, Dan. You'd be fine.
Oh yeah, everywhere.
$100. Find one.
I'll just go take SIDS from on top of the shop.
Yeah, yeah. Well, we hit New York, and I guess it's really not bad. Not bad at all. Only 34 minutes of traffic.
We've done way worse.
Yeah.
But it's also real early. We've gone through New York at 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night. You're in traffic for like 2 hours and just
yeah, it happens sometimes. You get that on those bigger jobs. No, see, I wouldn't say it. Who has a pet raccoon? I don't know yet.
Oh, so, all right. Somebody has a pet raccoon, and I want to see it. It wears a gold chain and everything.
It does. The
I don't know whose raccoon it is.
Somebody's raccoon.
God, not be with the GoPro. Look at all this. It's tight over here, buddy.
Why?
It's tight over here.
Dan, you don't think I could drive through this with no problem?
This is where me and Gabe almost totaled the trailer the day we got it. We didn't even get home yet.
Yeah, that's not my fault. I'm not you or Gabe, right?
No, you're right. You definitely have a better history with trailers than
Why?
us.
What happened with me and trailers?
Oh, nothing. When did you almost wheel off the trailer?
I don't know. I don't even know if it ever happened. Let me see. I would love to know what you could do for me.
His favorite thing is to talk to scam callers.
Hi there, this is Kathy.
Good, how are you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. So I hear that you're interested in some of our land packages.
Yes, I am. I'm very interested.
Fantastic. Which one are you interested in?
All of them?
All of them. Oh, wait, definitely. You got a double to choose from.
A pet raccoon. Is it raccoon friendly, you think?
Probably not.
It's domesticated.
Unless it was a service animal.
It is. It's a service raccoon.
Okay, if it's a service raccoon, then it would probably be fine.
Oh, perfect.
It's a center arcade, horseback riding, year-round tubing, and adventure parks.
My raccoon would love horseback riding.
Woody, along with having us Poconos, enjoy state parks, which I know your raccoon enjoy, museums, casinos, and multiple indoor water parks, along with these activities.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot of good trucks out here getting deliveries.
Yeah. Oh, I thought it was driving. It's
oh, me too. No, yeah, that thing burned.
The delivery did not get delivered.
It did not.
So we're not wasting any time. We just drove 16 hours about. It's 10:22. We just pulled into the hotel, unloaded mine and Sal's bikes, and I'm still in my sweatpants. Sal's changing over there right now, and we're gonna go meet up with Brian and Elijah.
Well, just patiently waiting for everybody to get here. What time is it right now?
It is 11:04.
11:04. And we're still gonna go ride, I guess, huh?
At least till
2 in the morning?
12:30, 1 o'clock.
Till 2 in the morning. Oh, here he is right now. Yo.
Yo, I'm about to pull up on you. Where you at?
I'm here. I'm in Tony's Fresh Market.
You're at where?
I'm at goddamn Tony's Fresh Market. I hear you.
Alright. I don't know why fucking he doesn't want to come out here.
I hung up on you.
Hey, everybody else is down the street.
Look at this place. We got ATVs, stunt bikes everywhere. I mean, this is one hotel that is fully loaded. We were pretty lucky enough to get a room out here. But we're gonna head over to Misguided, go grab some tacos, see what the boys are up to, go find Elijah, see what his dumb ass is up to. And then, yeah, go do a little bit of riding. And tonight is the night ride, which goes off night. So we're gonna see how long we could really do this for. I've never done it before. We usually chicken out in 2 hours, but. You think that raccoon's misguided?
Yeah. Come here.
Yeah, for sure. He's here. She's here.
Look at its nails.
You want some here?
She's listened for 7 years. I've been doing it for 7 longer.
Oh, yeah.
Don't you bite the fucking line.
Well, as long as I make time for her too.
My thing, man. Here's my.
Sal, there's a car.
That should be the mini Monday.
Love it.
We should make him ride that tonight.
Yeah, all night.
All
the way
night.
to Gary. All the way to Gary.
He's doing the all-night ride in the Budweiser NASCAR.
Does it trip?
No, it's only one-wheel drive, Sal.
Oh yeah. You want to race?
Sal loves
whip that
don't
shit.
You love it, don't you?
You know, I think my bike's getting a little bit too much blow by down here. I don't know if that's really normal or not, but I don't think it is. I think we need a top end when we get home. That was nice. Should we go?
I don't know what. So we came outside to go meet Elijah and everybody, and it's down.
He's calling me right now. Yo. Yeah.
Put your bathing suit on, get on your bike.
I'm coming to meet up right now. I'm running in the truck, grabbing my helmet, throwing it on. I'm coming to meet you under the bridge.
Okay, meet us under the bridge, and then we're gonna roll out. I'll wait for you.
All right, be there in 2 seconds. Bye. You ready to go get wet?
I think we're just gonna have to ride in the rain.
slight chance of rain.
Slight chance.
Slight chance. I don't know. Oh. God damn it. Well, yeah, we're so...
Only a little.
You can't really tell with the black.
No, you can't. I look fine.
Push down. Oh, that's nice. Rain, rain, go away, huh? Dancing in the rain?
This is fucked.
I love it.
I hate Brian 635.
635.
Brian 635 is in
downpouring. It's gonna rain probably all night. Me and Sal, I think, are gonna make the call and head back to the hotel for the night. And we're gonna meet up with everybody and ride the rest of the day tomorrow. We're calling it for the night.
Yeah, I'm over it.
No good.
It's raining all night.
It's Luke's fault.
It really is.
No, Luke's at least the reason we're dry.
I called for the rain.
Yeah, you really did.
You called it
Hello,
in.
rain. Mother Nature.
Hello, rain.
Hello. Here I am.
Yeah, we're heading back to the hotel.